Hello there. I am the HVAC repair guy. Before I spent 2 decades as a technician, I served in the Navy as a nuclear power electrician. For over 20 years, I have educated homeowners through my website, HVAC for Beginners. Today, we are diving into a head-to-head comparison in the premium category between Aireforce and Ruud. Specifically, we are looking at the Aireforce FSA 4BF and the Ruud UA16AY. These are two systems that often end up on the same shortlist, but they come from very different corporate backgrounds. In the world of HVAC, brand heritage matters. Ruud is what we call a flagship brand. It is a primary label owned by Rheem Manufacturing Company, one of the oldest and most established names in the business. On the other side, Aireforce is a subsidiary brand. A subsidiary brand is a secondary label owned by a larger conglomerate. Aireforce is a private label manufactured by Nortec Global HVAC for the Blue Hawk buying group. Recently, Rheem purchased Nortec's HVAC business. This moves Aireforce under the same massive umbrella as its competitor today. But Ruud remains the lead engineering label, with decades of dedicated research and development behind it. When we look at the construction of these units, cabinet protection is the first line of defense. Both the Aireforce FSA 4BF and the Ruud UA16AI feature louvered panels. This means the sensitive condenser coils are protected by heavy-duty metal slats rather than just a thin wire grill. This is crucial for preventing damage from hail, lawnmowers, or stray basketballs. Efficiency is where the numbers start to tell a story. The Aireforce FSA 4BF comes in with a SEER rating of 15.2. The Ruud UA16AY steps it up to a 16.0 SEER. Most basic units are like a standard light switch. They are either 100% on or completely off. However, both of these premium models feature two-stage compressors, making them more like a dimmer switch. On a mild day, they run at a lower capacity to save energy and remove more humidity. When the summer heat really hits, they kick into high gear. The Ruud model gives you just a bit more cooling for every dollar spent on electricity. Let's talk about the 2026 market prices. For the Aireforce FSA 4BF, you can expect an equipment-only price of around £2,050. A full professional installation averages $6,400 for the Aireforce. The Ruud UA16AY carries a bit of a premium with the equipment costing about $2,450. A full installation for the Ruud hits near $7,200. Regardless of your choice, here is a professional tip. Once a year, use a garden hose to wash dust and pollen out of those exterior coils. Cleaning the coil helps heat escape and prevents the compressor from overheating. Warranty is where we see a significant divide. Both brands offer a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty. However, the Ruud UA16AY includes a 10-year unit replacement warranty. If that compressor fails within the first decade, Ruud gives you a whole new outdoor unit. The Aireforce model offers 0 years for unit replacement. Because Ruud is the flagship model with superior warranty protection and better efficiency, the price gap is reasonable for the extra security you get. Ruud takes the win today. Shop like a pro using the head-to-head tool on HVAC-for-beginners.com.